Business transformation is like a marathon. Both begin with a clear goal, and both require endurance, discipline, and the right strategy. But why do you even run a marathon? A personal proof of what's possible with willpower and preparation. And just like that, companies don't transform for no reason. They do it because they want to stay agile, because they need to respond faster to changes, and because they want to remain innovative and competitive in the long term. But how do they get there? Whether it's a marathon or business transformation, success doesn't happen by chance. It requires change, a clear plan, and the right preparation. We call this business transformation management. 3 things are critical to success. First of all, your processes, so your training plan. Where do you stand, what's the best practice, and how do you get closer to your goal? With SAP Signavio, you gain full transparency and a strategy that fits your needs. Second of all, IT systems, so basically your equipment. No one runs far without good shoes. Similarly, transformation needs modern, high-performance technology. With SAP LeanIX, you can analyze your IT landscape and make it future-proof. And lastly, adoption, so your coach. Change requires leadership, and the coach ensures you stay on track. With WalkMe, you make sure systems are truly used, intuitively and effectively. Together, these solutions unlock their full potential. We call this the integrated tool chain, a seamless collaboration of SAP Signavio, SAP LeanIX and WalkMe, connected, end-to-end, success critical.